A closer look 1. 5. Listen and repeat the following mini-talks, paying attention to the tone in the questions.
1. Where would you like to go sightseeing?
I'd like to go to Australia most of all.
2. What do you think of the newly discovered cave?
Oh, fantastic.
3. Have you been sightseeing all day?
Yeah, we've been to the old pagoda, the orchid garden, and the open-air market.
4. Is Egypt a famous tourist attraction?
Yes, millions of people go there every year.
6. Mark the questions with falling or falling rising arrows, and practice the conversation with a partner. Then listen to check your pronunciation.
Mark the questions with falling or falling rising arrows, and practice the conversation with a partner. Then listen to check your pronunciation.
What's the matter, Janet?
I'm looking for my passport. It seems to be lost.
Have you already searched your purse?
Not yet. Oh, where are my glasses?
They may be in your plastic bag. Where is it?
Oh no, it's not here. Have I dropped it on the plane?
Oh my God.
What should I do now?
Let's report it to the customs officer.